Today we're going to show you how to import accounts into SlabWare using an Excel file without having to create each account manually. To get started, go to the main menu, click Clients, then Accounts, and select the last option, Import Accounts. This is the Import Accounts page. Here you'll find the step-by-step instructions to import your accounts into the system. It's important to remember that the system allows you to import up to 250 accounts per Excel file. Below you'll find the buttons to download the spreadsheet models, Filled Example and Template. By clicking Filled Example, you can view a spreadsheet that has already been filled out. This gives you an example of how to enter the information correctly. By clicking Template, you can download the blank spreadsheet model. This is the file you'll fill out with your account's information. In the spreadsheet, the fields shown in red are required, while the fields shown in blue are optional. If some information haven't been configured yet in Setup or on the Users page, and that field is not required, you can leave it blank and fill it out later inside the system. Now, let's start by entering the company name. In this example, I'm going to fill out 4 rows with the same company information, because I'll be adding 4 different contacts to the same account. In the Sales Representative field, you should enter the name of one of the users already registered in your system. In the Business field, enter the type of business this company works with. For example, it can be a builder, an architect, a designer, or another type of business. Next, you can enter a phone number and a mobile number. Both fields are optional, so you can fill out both, only one of them, or leave them blank. Then fill out the country and state fields. Both are required and must already be configured on the Setup page under Clients. We also have a tutorial available about this setup. To watch it, just click the card above. Now fill out the city, address, and zip code. After that, enter the company's website. Up to this point, all information must be the same for the rows that belong to the same account, including the address, website, and company contact numbers. Starting from contact name and contact email, the information is no longer about the company itself. It is about the contacts who work for that company. In contact name, enter the name of each contact. In contact email, enter each contact's individual email address. In contact phone and contact cell, you can also add each contact's phone number. In the title field, enter each contact's role, such as CEO, manager, customer sales, or designer. Finally, fill out each contact's nickname. Now, I'm going to add one more account with 4 contacts as well, so we have more than one account to review after the import. Once the spreadsheet is complete, you can either rename the file or keep the original template name. After that, save the spreadsheet to your computer. Once the file is saved, we can import it. Click Import Excel, select the file from your computer, and then click Import Excel again. In this step, the system will show a review screen. The columns shown in red indicate that there was an issue during the import process. For example, in the Sales Representative field, the system could not identify the user entered because that user is not registered in my system. You cannot add a new user directly from this screen, but you can replace it with an existing user. However, the Business field works differently. You can add a new business directly from this screen by clicking Add New, typing the business name, and applying it to the other rows in the table if needed. After correcting all the information, click the Import button to continue. Done! Your accounts have been imported into the system. Now, if you go back and access List of Account, you can check if the import was completed correctly. Here are the 2 accounts I've imported. Under Options, you can see that the accounts were automatically imported as prospect accounts. If you want to change the status, just click the icon to make the account active. By clicking it again, you can also deactivate the account. If you open the account and click Edit, you can also change the status from here, as well as update any other contact information for the account. You can also add the sales representative that we replaced during the spreadsheet import without having to register them first in Users. Click Add New, enter the name, and then click Save. If you go to Users, you'll find this sales representative created in the list. From there, you can complete their contact information and login details. In this section, you can add a note description about this account, as well as financial details such as sales tax, price list, terms of payment, commission, and discount. On the left side of the page, you can see the 4 contacts that were added through the spreadsheet, each one with their own name, nickname, contact numbers, and individual email addresses. You can edit or add a new contact in this section at any time. Next to the contacts, you'll find Accounts Customers. Here you can register a new customer or add an existing customer and link it to this account. Below that, you'll be able to view all the projects linked to this account inside the system, such as drawings, quotes, and invoices. You can also start new projects or quotes directly from here. In this area, sales representatives can add important notes about this account, and other system users can view or add notes as well. On the side, you'll be able to view the most bought materials metrics for this account. Further down, you'll have access to the account documents. If you click New, you can add documents that may be used as purchase terms, payment terms, or other account-related files. Next to that, you'll also find the documents linked to each project, quote, or invoice associated with this account. You can also download these documents as a zip file. Below, you'll be able to view the payment information for this account, including the payment statuses and totals. Here, you can also see the total sales per month and the current year's total amount. In comments, your sales representatives can add notes to keep a record of their interactions with this account. And finally, under Commission, you can track the payment history for any registered commissions. Whenever you make any changes to the information, don't forget to click Save before leaving the page. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit slabware.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!